Just be in the way.
Yeah.
Uncle Mom.
Let's call.
There's a tug right behind it, guys.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
We should have not been smoking.
What the fuck just happened?
Holy crap.
I knew it was a gem.
Jesus, you heard that. We were like, it was an
Ma, you'll never guess what we just got to see.
a boat just exploded right near us.
Yeah.
We heard it. We turn around and there's
Like
smoke
a
everywhere.
cargo ship.
Mayday, mayday.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit
What
the
the
news
fuck
for
is
sure.
going on, bro?